The Grad MRLS is a Soviet-designed multiple rocket launcher system, known for its simplicity, reliability, and devastating firepower. Here's a brief overview. Origins and design. Developed in the early 1960s, the Grad entered service with the Soviet Army in 1963. Its name, Grad, is the Russian word for hail, reflecting its ability to unleash a barrage of rockets over a wide area. The system consists of a truck-mounted launcher with 40 launch tubes arranged in a rectangular pattern. Each tube fires 122mm rockets, with a range varying depending on the type of rocket used. Capabilities and impact. The Grad can launch a full salvo of rockets in under 20 seconds, blanketing an area with explosives or other payloads. Its simple design makes it easy to operate and maintain, contributing to its widespread adoption by over 50 countries. The Grad has been used in numerous conflicts around the world, earning a reputation for its effectiveness and destructiveness. Variants and future. Several variants of the Grad have been developed, with improved range, accuracy, and firepower. Despite its age, the Grad remains a potent weapon system, and some countries are still actively developing and modernizing their Grad launchers. Overall, the Grad MRLS is a significant weapon system that has had a major impact on military history. Its combination of simplicity, effectiveness, and affordability has made it a popular choice for countries around the world. Please subscribe to my channel for this and more content. Thanks for watching,